Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and today I want to talk to you about the Yosuda Home Elliptical. We work with a lot of patients all across the country. We have patients that have had total knee replacement, ACL reconstruction. We've had patients that just want to get stronger through the legs so that they can walk more independently, or they just want to get in shape. You know, I'm 50 this year. I've been working hard to try and lose some weight, improve my blood pressure control, and a big part of that is doing cardiovascular exercise supported by strength training, but doing it in a non-impact way. A lot of us already have osteoarthritis or other conditions that are causing joint pain, and we want something that gives us the feel of running. I love running. I think running is an amazing exercise, but I need something that's a little less impactful on days that my knees are flared up. And so the Yosuda created this. It's a new launch. It's absolutely an ideal home elliptical unit. We have commercial ellipticals, we have arc trainers, we have Stairmasters and recumbent bikes. We have access to every piece of fitness equipment, but this is something that I can genuinely recommend somebody use at home. It's got a relatively small footprint, it's easy to assemble, and it is whisper quiet. I live in a house with 5 other people, my kids, my wife. I need something that would allow me to get up, do my workout, not wake anybody else up in the house, and then get ready for work. So let's talk about some of the features of the Yosuda. First thing I already mentioned, whisper quiet. Like you can't even hear it as I'm going around. We've got the reciprocal arm motion, or you can grab onto the center console handles. These won't move. There's a heart rate monitor, there's a full digital display. I'll bring the camera around and show you. We've got time, speed, distance, calories, the odometer, and the pulse. We can set it, we can allow it to scan through so we see multiple settings, or we just let it stay fixed. I like to keep it fixed on time because usually I'm going for a certain amount of time. I don't care how far I go or how much work I do. Down in the middle, and I'll show you this in a minute, we have the resistance controller. It will go from 1, which is the lowest resistance, up to 16. It comes with a bottle holder to stay hydrated. But again, the thing that I love about elliptical trainers, especially the Yosuda, is it's non-impact. The elliptical is really one of the best all-around exercises that we can do to maintain longevity, stay healthy, keep our metabolism going. That's the hardest thing as we get older, and really stay fit for the next 20, 30, 40 years of our life. So let's zoom in, let's take a closer look, and let's look at some of the features of the Yosuda. All right guys, now I'm behind the camera. You can see one of the biggest advantages to the Yosuda. It's only 39 inches front to back. It's 21 inches wide, and it's 60 inches tall. So it's incredibly compact, especially compared to some of the bigger commercial brands that are just huge and take up a ton of space. It's got the wheels in front, which mean that as you tip it forward, you can wheel it around, wheel it back, move it into position. I mentioned there is the digital display that powers on. It runs off of AA batteries. You can see here we've got time, speed, distance, calories, odometer, pulse. Pulse is when I'm grabbing the electric heart rate monitor. For me personally, I usually just keep it locked on time so that I can see how far I'm going and what I'm doing. We've got 16 resistance levels here that go from pretty high tension, you know, this is gonna get the legs burning really fast, down to a comfortable just gliding motion. We've got the large foot plates. This will accommodate, I wear a size 9.5 shoe, and so you can see there's several inches in front of me to get my foot all the way up there. But again, the most powerful benefit to this for anybody who wants a workout at home is just how quiet it is. If I get this moving, you can't even hear it, and I've got a high fidelity microphone on. There is zero noise with this. Now, the gliding motion of the elliptical, I already mentioned, it's non-impact, but it is weight bearing. Weight bearing is good for the bones. Non-impact is great for the joints.